Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. In the previous video, I gave you the exercise question answers from chapter 2, class 6 EVS book West Bengal Board, Human Dependence on Environment. Today, I am going to give you the inside question answers from this chapter. Before we start, requesting you to like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get further notifications from the channel on the right time. If you have any queries, then please let me know in the comment box, and if you have missed any video, then please check out the description box or playlist. You will find all the videos from there. So let's start. Class 6 EVS book West Bengal Board, chapter 2, Human Dependence on Environment, inside question answers. So at first, number 1, name some leaves that we eat. We eat the leaves of certain plants like sarso, palak and methi. Number 2, name some stems that we eat, that is sugar cane. Number 3, name some roots that we eat. Carrot, radish, turnip and beet. Number 4, what are cereal grain? The food which we eat basically comes from plants of grass family are called cereal grains. Number 5 is a fill in the blanks. Flour is used for making bread and chapati. Number 6, name some cereal grains: wheat, rice, maize, bajra and jowar. Number 7, name some plants from which we get medicine: neem, tulsi, amla, ginger. Number 8 is again a fill in the blanks. Rubber is obtained from rubber tree. Number 9, name some plant products. The cotton plants give us cotton. This cotton is used for making clothes, pillow covers and bed sheets, etc. Plants give us jute, which is used to make sacks and ropes. Quiet, mats and carpets are also plant products. Number 10, how do we use wood? The wood obtained from plants is used for making doors and windows of houses, furnitures like table, chair, racks, etc. Sports goods like bats, hockey, etc. and matchsticks. Wood is also used for making paper, household fuel in rural areas. Number 11, what is sericulture? The rearing and management of silkworm of silk is known as sericulture. Number 12, name some leather products. The leather obtained from animal is used to make leather jackets, hand gloves, purses, belts, shoes and suitcases. Number 13, what is poultry? Keeping and breeding birds which provide meat and eggs is called poultry. Number 14 is the fill in the blanks. Poultry provides the best sources of animal proteins and fats. Number 15, what is egger or layer? An egg laying poultry is called egger or layer. Number 16, what is broiler? The poultry reared for obtaining meat is called chicken or broiler. Number 16, what is water agriculture? Fishes are aquatic animals and their production is called water agriculture. Number 17, what is apiculture? The rearing of honey bees on a large scale is called as apiculture. Number 18, what is piggery? The arrangements of pig is known as piggery. Number 19, what is biogas? What is it used for? The animal dung is also used to prepare an excellent fuel called biogas or gobar gas, which is used for cooking food in villages. Number 20, name some animals which are used as transport: horse, camel, ass, elephant, etc. Number 21, the natural pearls are obtained from oysters. Number 22, where gelatin is obtained from? Gelatin is obtained from bones of dead animals. What is lac? Lac is a resin-like substance produced by a particular types of insects. Number 24, how are dogs useful to us? Dogs are very useful for protection our homes. Dogs are also useful to guide blind persons. Today, dogs are very important parts of military and police services. Number 25, name some animals which are used for carrying out researches in science laboratories: monkey, rats, rabbits, guinea pigs. Number 26. What are microorganisms? There are large variety of living organisms around us which are so small that they cannot be seen with our naked eyes. These are called microorganisms. Example: bacteria, protozoa, algae, fungi, etc. Number 27. What do we need to see microorganisms? We had lens or a hand lens or microscope. Number 28. Write the uses of microorganisms. The uses of microorganisms are given below. First point, microorganisms are very useful in production of medicines and vaccines. For example, penicillin is obtained from a fungus and streptomycin is obtained from a bacteria. Second point, microorganisms are very useful in formation of curd, cheese and bread. Third point, they are very useful in production of vinegar and alcohol. Last point, they are used in treatment of sewage. They decompose dead animals and plants. Number 29, name some non-living things of our environment. The non-living things of our environment are soil, that means land, water and air or atmosphere. The sunlight is also an important living factor of our environment. Number 30. Which gases are present in the air? The main gases present in the air are oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Beside this, water vapor is also present in the atmosphere as moisture. Number 31. Why is oxygen useful to us? Oxygen is useful to us for the following reasons. First point, oxygen is needed for burning. For burning, chula or angithi in some homes also uses oxygen from the air to burn the wood or ant coal. Number 2, oxygen is needed for breathing. We breathe in air rich in oxygen and give out air rich in carbon dioxide. The oxygen from the air breathed is absorbed by the blood in the lungs. The hemoglobin in the blood carries this oxygen to all parts of the body. This oxygen oxidizes the food in the body tissues and provides us energy to do work. Number 32. Charcoal burns in air because of oxygen. Number 33. Many industries as atmospheric nitrogen to manufacture the fertilizers. Not as, this should be use. Okay. 34. All proteins in our body have nitrogen in them. Number 35. Carbon dioxide is used in the making of aerated such as soda water, lemon, orange or cola. Number 36. Write the uses of compressed air. Number 1. Tire of vehicles such as cycles, cars, scooters, trucks and aeroplanes have compressed air filled in them. Number 2. Compressed air is used for digging, mining and lifting liquid substance from mines. Number 3. Compressed air is used in brake system for stopping trains. Number 37. Write 5 uses of air. First point, in winnowing, moving air helps in separating husk from the grain. Number 2. Air helps in drying up of grains, pulses, etc. Number 3. In summers, fan circulates air which keeps us cool. Number 4. Balls and balloons are also filled with air. Number 5. Air makes blades of windmill to move. Number 38. Biologist says that our body consists of about 70% of water. Number 39. What are some important uses of water? Some of the important uses of water are for drinking purpose, for irrigation of agriculture fields, for cooking food, bathing, cleaning and washing purposes, useful as a universal solvent, useful for extinguishing fire, useful for medicines in different chemical industries, useful for transportation. Number 40. What is solar energy? The main source on the earth is sun. This is called solar energy. Number 41. Write the usefulness of solar energy. We get light from the sun during daytime. It is very important as it helps us to see. Green plants use solar energy to prepare food for themselves and for other animals, including human beings. The process by which the light energy is converted into food is known as photosynthesis. Number 49, write the various forms of energy. The various forms of energy are mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, magnetic energy, electric energy, nuclear energy, muscular energy. Number 43, name some various renewable sources. The various renewable sources are solar energy, water energy, wind energy, and wood energy. Number 44, name some non-renewable resources, coal and petroleum. Number 45, which is why soil said to be an important natural resources. We meet our basic requirement of food, clothing, and shelter mainly from the plants that grow in the soil. Soil is also needed for the building of houses, making utensils, toys, and many other things. In this way, soil is an important natural resource which is put to various uses by man. Number 46. How did air become polluted? As civilization grew and industries were developed, the natural environment was affected adversely. As population grew, forests were cut down and they were sorry and they were buried into arable land. Mines are dug out and fuel received was burned to run factories and mills. Different gases were used for economic development. Means of transport were increased. Railways burned coal and produced gases, thus disturbed the composition of air. Number 47. What are the effects of water pollution? Contamination of water by sewage and industries effluent is the threat of drinking water and its use for swimming, boating, fishing. Industrial effluents cause water pollution because of toxic materials which they introduced into water. These materials are toxic to fish, man, and plants and microorganisms. Number 48. What are the causes of exposure of radiation? Exposure of radiation can be caused by radioactive dust or fallout from nuclear explosions, dumping of radioactive waste, and accidents occurring in establishments handling radioactive materials. Number 49. What are the effects of exposure of radiations? Exposure of radiations caused death or genetic defects to man. Last question, number 50. What are the effects of noise pollution? Noise pollution can damage our ears, can produce many physiological and psychological disturbances like high blood pressure, anxiety, tension, sleeplessness, anorexia, irritation, and fatigue. So these are the inside question answers from this chapter. To get the exercise question answers from this chapter, please check out the playlist or description box. You will find that video from there. Okay. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get further notifications from the channel on the right time. If you have missed any video, then please check out the description box or playlist. You will find all the videos from there. And if you have any queries, then please let me know in the comment box. So that's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.